Hey guys, so this is a quick video just to share some tips about LinkedIn ads. So in one of the previous videos that I recorded earlier this week, I talked about how you can set up quickly a LinkedIn ad campaign to promote your B2B web app that you just built with Bubble. So in this video, I just wanted to quickly talk about a few very small tips on how you can run your LinkedIn ads more cost efficiently. So generally, there are quite a few ad format that you can create your LinkedIn ads with. So as you can see here, we have a single image ad format. We have carousel image. We have video. We have a bunch of other ad formats such as text, spotlight, follower, document conversation, and event. So generally speaking, up until the day of this video's recording, which is 22nd of August 2023, the most cost efficient and cost effective ad for a standard B2B SaaS app that many founders build, generally speaking, would be the single image ad format. So there are two things actually affect on the top level. There are two things that you can create your campaign and make sure that it's cost efficient. The first thing is the campaign objective, which I'll actually cover in a separate video in the future, coming soon. Another thing, obviously, as mentioned previously, was the ad format. So as mentioned earlier, so single image ad. When you go on LinkedIn, as you scroll down your LinkedIn feeds, you probably will come across a block of advertisement, which you probably don't see. It's currently marked as promoted. In the future, they might change this to a different format, using a different label, etc. But for now, when you scroll down your LinkedIn feeds, and whenever you see a promoted sign or label, that means this is an ad. So as you can see here, this is a single image ad. I'm just keep scrolling down my LinkedIn feed, and again, a promoted section of the ad, which is a single image. So you probably will see this very often with a single image ad. Is because this is the most cost efficient ad format with LinkedIn ads that you can run today. You probably would be able to come across sometimes a carousel ad or video ad. So let me find an example. This one from Pinterest Business. Well, even though it doesn't have promoted here, because I opened this ad unit as a separate tab, so you don't see the promoted label here. But when you scroll down on your LinkedIn feeds, if this ad appear, it would show you that promoted label. Anyhow, so this is a video ad. Generally speaking, a video ad costs quite a bit more than the traditional single image ad. So I had a look at the campaign that I run for a separate account. Generally speaking, the average cost per click for a video ad at the time of the recording of this video, on average, it would cost about $2 to $3 on average, on the grand scheme of things, to run a video ad. So it would cost you $2 to $3 or even sometimes $4 to get one click. However, with single image ad, something like this, or something like this, with a single image ad, generally you can expect something between 70 cents to $1.5 range. Generally speaking, I got about $1 of average cost per click for my campaigns that's using single image as the primary ad format. So as mentioned at the beginning of this video, when you want to promote your newly created B2B web app that you build with Bubble, and when you want to promote it with LinkedIn ads, there are quite a lot of things that you would consider, but this is actually one of the main thing that you could use to drive the most traffic efficiently if you have a small amount of budget. So again, this is just a quick tip. In the future videos, I'll explain a lot more with a lot more details. But let's say if you wanted to set up your first LinkedIn ads campaign to promote your B2B ad, to promote your B2B app today. Let's say you have let's say $300 or $500 total budget to run this LinkedIn ads as a test, and you want to drive as much traffic, relevant traffic as possible using LinkedIn ads, and then I would highly recommend to set up single image ad as your ad format, alongside many other kind of parameters and campaign settings, which I'll explain in the following video. Okay, this is the end of the video, and if you have any question, just drop a comment and leave your thoughts in the comment section. And if you have any questions, do ask away. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.